choice. And the race on, racing from the outside is Benissimo Gobernador.
And racing on the outside is Mr. Universe. Then comes entry number 3. And this one is Speedmaker, followed by entry number 6, the favorite, etc. Laga appointment. And on the outside, Bojo and...
Okay, may konting technical problem tayo dito. Medyo annotate ko na lang yan. Bandera, numero 7. Benissimo, tabing balya, numero 3. Speedmaker. At, ayan, palikunan. Last 600 meters. Bandera pa rin. By about a length and a half ang numero 7, Benissimo. Segundo pwesto, numero 3, Speedmaker. Ayan, nagpapabulusok sa loob. Numero 6, etc. With J.D. Huco.
That is Mr. Universe as they race upon the corner, etc. Bydral. And on the outside, Benissimo, Mr. Universe Gobernador. Last 200 meters more to run, etc. Benissimo, the outside, and Mr. Universe, etc. The leader. And nearing the finish line, the icebreaker, the favorite, etc. Second close, Benissimo, Mr. Universe, and Gobernador Naga.